Last year, I tested multiple ways to make money with AI designs. And I have to admit, last year was just a warm-up. I have even bigger plans for this year. But what I have done in the last few months, it helped me to understand that AI designs can be profitable. And when I say designs, I'm not referring to AI-generated results as art. Just like I'm not an artist, I consider myself a designer. And I don't believe that AI can create art on its own. It requires an artist to generate true art. But let's go back to my AI journey on Redbubble. When I began my journey with print on demand, Redbubble served as my learning ground, an elementary school for POD, to put in other words. It helped me to test designs, observe customer preferences, and learn about the SEO aspects of this business. As a result, I have built multiple stores here. Although I don't upload on Redbubble regularly, some of these stores are providing me with a decent passive income. It might not be anything extraordinary, but sometimes I can earn a few $100s per month just from the work I have already done in the past. For this AI experiment, I have chosen one of my stores that lacks of specific niche. I classify it as general store since it doesn't not focus on a particular audience. Before this experiment, the store's best month yielded in a maximum of $24 in sales, with approximately 200 visitors and over 200 designs uploaded. It was nothing extraordinary. While I appreciate Midjourney in Delhi, the majority of my AI designs come from Leonardo AI. I enjoy using this tool because of its user-friendly interface, the option to customize my own model, and the ability to have control over the output. Although this image generator offers a good free plan with 150 tokens for your generations, which resets every day, it's important to note that each generation can cost up to 30 tokens. This is why I have a standard plan which provides me with 8,500 tokens per month. This allocation is enough for my all projects. One of the insane features of this tool is its library of pre-made, fine-tuned models that enable you to create specialized images. Moreover, the library continues to expand with fine-tuned models contributed by the community, which you are free to use. For me, using this tool to generating the images I want to sell on Redbubble was a piece of cake. However, while Redbubble is a great marketplace for selling designs on up to 90 products, I have focused on making my design look good on 2 of these products, t-shirts and stickers. I have still enabled my designs on other products where they are appropriate and make sense. So I began uploading the AI designs in July, and by December, I have successfully uploaded over 800 designs. However, one of the important aspects to understand about print on demand is that 80% of your sales typically come from 20% of your designs. While the exact percentage may vary, it is a reality that the majority of the designs you upload may not generate any sales. In other words, uploading another 600 designs doesn't guarantee a 3 times or 4 times increase in traffic or sales. However, I have successfully increased the monthly traffic from 150 or 200 visitors to 300 visitors solely through SEO without any social promotion or paid ads. Furthermore, as shown here, I have also achieved some sales with the best months earning me $80. As I already said, it is nothing special. Additionally, when considering the fees, which can get up to 30% of the monthly payments, it falls short of being extraordinary. So the question is, what will I do next with this shop? Well, I have an idea. I already have an Etsy store where I sell simple vector designs. Now I'm thinking of taking some of the vectors and upload them on Redbubble. They have the potential to look great on t-shirts and stickers. By doing this, I can fully concentrate on creating vector graphics for my Etsy shop, all the while having the ability to upload designs to Redbubble. I'm not sure if this will be successful, but an extra $50 per month with minimal effort could be beneficial. So, I hope this video was helpful to you and that you learned something new about AI designs and how to sell them. And if you have any questions, feel free and use the comment section and I will do my best to reply to you.